Yeah, I'm recording right now. Hopefully it's set.
Okay, Brad, here we are. We are in the crahker factory. Now, there's a little bit of lag, and we're not too sure of why that is, but Hawkrums is currently renovating the game and doing a whole entire, like, I guess, revamp of the game, and I think he'll fix it, but for now we're gonna have to bear with it. I guess this is the main room. Okay, who is this guy? Hello? Welcome to Hawkrums Crackers. How may I help you? I'm visiting.
I'm visiting. Ah, great to hear.
Ah, great.
Here is your visitor badge, and let me open that door for you.
Okay, open the door. Open the door, man. Oh, it opened. It opened. Okay, come on.
Oh yeah,
Let's
you
go.
can go outside as well. Yeah, you can.
Oh wait, should we check that out first? Let's go. Let's go
I don't think
there
there's
first.
anything
You know,
much though, so you gotta have a look around.
wait, how'd you get out? It's not letting me out. Okay, now it is. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, this is our ID. Oh my God, it put me back in the. Okay, why are we going back in the factory, bro? Let me out. Let me out.
Oh wait.
Okay.
Wait. There's a path.
What?
Tea party.
Oh wait, what is this?
Tea party.
All right, let's go over there.
Wait, hold on.
Wow, this building is huge, dude. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I didn't expect it to be that big.
Attempted to teleport to a place that is restricted. Okay, man.
Okay, let's not go there then. I guess we'll go back into the factory.
All right.
What does it say on my ID card? Oh, it just says we're a guest. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, dude, they always only let you in first. They never let me in. This is not fair. Okay. I'm following you. Factory entrance. Here is little Hawkrums. Here he is. He's just waving. It's like little fake Hawkrums, obviously.
Welcome to Hacker Crackers.
Oh, this is cool. Wait, what is this? Globe Mart store. Oh, I think that's their other myth that they have. But
yeah.
we might check that out another time.
Yeah.
Welcome to the factory. There's an orange, and I guess this is the logo.
I guess so. Why is there a jail here?
Jail?
Why is there that?
Wait, why is?
Yo.
Wait, Brad. I think you're supposed to go in here, Brad.
Why? I didn't commit any crimes.
Yeah, you did. Now go in the jail. I'm just kidding. Okay. What is this?
Souls,
Click.
trust me, bro.
Oh.
Oh.
Wait, my volume's not up.
Thank you.
Oh. What? You just stole that from? Okay, you know what? I'll get my own. I'll get my own.
Yeah.
I'm clicking it. Okay, there we go. Okay, it dropped the box.
Puts me on conveyor. Wait, what?
Oh, I'm eating the crackers.
It says puts me on conveyor. Oh, let me just. Hold on, let me see if I can. Okay, it's just
Can you backspace?
Let's try that again.
Why do I keep getting the worst cards possible? These people are playing cards in this random factory. What the heck?
Are they playing like poker or something? Or blackjack?
I don't know. They're probably gambling all their money, which is bad.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's roads. Look, Brad, it's roads.
Yo!
Okay. This was a myth that Brett and I had recorded, and Miles, but we never ended up uploading it just because, I don't know. Something happened, but they got a new...
But I have a video on my channel as well.
Oh yeah, Brett has a video about it. So yeah, go watch that. I'll put it on screen right here.
Alright, let's see if I can actually put this in the conveyor belt this time.
Wait, what is this?
Oh, it did it! Let's go!
Oh, it worked?
Yeah, it did it. There it goes. Bye-bye.
Wait, where are you?
I'm at... wait, over here. Yeah, just...
Oh, okay, hold on. Let me grab...
Yeah, you gotta stand
one.
a bit far. I think you stand around here or something.
Oh, there it goes.
There we go.
It's going on the conveyor. Hey, come back. Wait, where does it go to? Wait, hold on.
Crackers in stock, 210. Damn.
Oh, it goes. I think it goes through the roof over here.
Yeah, I believe so.
Oh, are those our
7? Wait, 7 crackers in stock. This is usually 5.
Oh, wait,
this is usually 5.
Oh,
look. Oh, okay.
Well, I just stole the box from you. I'm sorry. Wait, I'm gonna open this.
Honestly,
what is this? Oh, it's the truck. Okay. Can we put this in the truck?
Oh.
Wait.
No. Oh.
I don't know if that went in there.
I just stole it from you again.
Oh, you stole it from bro. Okay.
Right. There's 1 and there's 2. There we go. I think that's how you...
Oh, you put them there.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's 108.
Well, let's go back to the main room. I'm gonna go back to the main room because we didn't really explore that yet. We should probably go back there. Wait, blueberry flavor, orange flavor, and strawberry flavor. Okay. Okay, what is this? So this is where they stock all of their supplies, I guess. This is like they're a cracker factory, as the game's title says.
Rusty cog.
Wait, where'd you find that?
It was right there.
Well, you have it now, so.
Yeah. Also.
Wait, what is this? Employees only. The door's locked. Okay.
Stop guessing the code.
Wait, what is the code? Wait, maybe I'll try to look it up. Wait, hold on.
I have a feeling this will be like the main horror aspect to this game. I don't know. Feels a bit fishy. Friendly reminder: please do not get too close to the incinerator.
Okay, I can't find the code in their Discord, so that sucks. Wait, come back over here. Oh wait, let's go through this door. What is over here? Okay. Random poster. Oh, there's Target. There it is.
Target.
They need to put a poster in manager's office. Let's go. Wait. Oh, we can't go up there. Okay. Well.
You found it. You found like
I
the key, right?
Wait. Oh, oh, it
Oh!
opened. It opened.
Oh,
Wait,
nice.
what
Okay.
the heck? How did it open? All right, here we
I
are.
don't know.
Wait, what is this? Can we click this?
Hello,
Making
manager.
coffee.
Hello, manager.
This machine is making coffee. Oh, oh, I got it.
Ooh, free
I got the
coffee.
coffee. I'm drinking it. Yummy. Okay, so I guess this is Hawkrum's like
Making
desk, his
coffee.
room.
Yippee.
What does this say? To manager, the vents are shaking and making weird noises all the time. Please fix this issue.
Ooh.
What does that mean? I don't like the sound of that. Okay, well, let's just keep going over here.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this? Wait. Oh, I didn't mean to sit down. Okay. It's just random stuff. All right, let's go back. We got to explore some more.
Yeah. Oh, what the heck? Oh, okay. I'm lagging out. I'm lagging.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm lagging a bit.
Oh yeah.
Might be like just.
Yeah, this
bugging
game is a little bit laggy. Let's go this.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll follow you. I'll follow
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Let's see what's up. Let's see if there's any more. Oh, wait.
Oh wait, this door opened. Wait, it's open. What? Employees only though.
Hang's quarters.
Wait, Hang's quarters. Can we go in there? Hello? Hello?
The door's locked.
Wait, how did that
Why-
guy open those? What is
Why
going
did he-
on, bro?
What?
Oh, I opened it.
Huh?
Wait, I don't think we're
Oh.
supposed to be here. Oh,
Oh,
what the heck?
God.
Wait, assistant manager's office, Jim.
Hi,
What?
Jim.
Shock Jim. We're not
Hey.
Hassan. What are we doing?
Dude.
Okay.
Oh, you just.
Well,
Well, you're
he's,
Hassan now. Well, you're Hassan.
wait,
You're pretty much
water
Hassan
coffee
now.
plants.
What?
Bro, this is weird. I don't think
Yeah.
we're supposed to be in here.
Plant
Satan's
happiness semi-
spawn, Java. What?
What
okay,
is happening?
What is this?
What is it? 5-minute breaks max?
Uh-oh. I
Huh?
think we're injecting something really bad into Jim.
Uh-oh. Oh,
Oh.
shoot.
Wait, do you want to drink it? Do you want to drink
No.
the coffee I just made? It's called Satan's spawn.
Nah, I'm good, thanks.
Okay,
Plant,
I'm gonna leave.
Plan happiness
I'm
71.
leaving.
What does that mean, bro?
I don't know. Okay, security.
Watch
I'm
out
just
for
gonna
your-
spam click the door. Come on.
Oh, employee break room's open.
Oh, that one worked. All right, let's go in. Hello, what's in here?
Carl,
Carl,
the
the big
big
coffee
coffee
maker for those dying for energy. What?
Yeah. Unlike the other coffee makers, this one's big, okay?
Get used to working here. Are they abusing their employees? What is going on? All right, you know
God.
what? I'm not even gonna quit. Oh, security opened.
Oh.
Security opened.
Dude.
Wait,
This is
Hawkroom
weird.
security.
Oh, this is weird.
Oh,
Why
there's
is
a
it?
key. There's a key. I got a key. Office key.
Ow. Okay. Don't put me in. Give me. I want to
Okay,
get.
wait. What, janitors.
I can't get it.
Janitors. Let us in.
I can't
Wait.
get it. Where are you?
Is this it?
Wait, where are you? Oh, there you are.
I have a
Oh,
broom. I have a broom.
Oh, I got it. And a toilet plunger. But
Wait, what is this
retrieve
button?
can't.
What is this big button? An elevator. Bread. Okay,
Oh,
wait. Don't go in
shit.
there. Don't go in there. We
Okay.
got to keep going here.
Yeah.
We're not going in there yet. I don't want to like.
Yeah. I feel
accidentally
like there's
die.
more to this. I feel like there's a lot more to this than usually. Can
Okay, we can't go in Hang's quarters, so
Alright.
we'll stay out of there, I guess. Parking lot. Let's go out here.
Wait, what? Where?
Reception.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Oh, what the heck? Wait, this is a whole nother section. Look, there's an
Huh?
outside.
Sign up here to have a meeting
Wait,
with Hackrooms.
what the- Today a cracker, tomorrow the world. Is he trying to like take over the world with the cracker business? Like, what does it say out there? Hawkrum's crackers. Okay, well, you know what? Let's just
Now
best
serving
investor.
43.
Who is that?
Now serving 43.
All right, let's leave. Let's leave. I guess this is where the inventors go. Oh, wait. Okay. All around machinery. Boxer. This small guy box. Okay, so this is like the robots, kind of like what Rhodes had. It's kind of like that,
Yeah.
I guess. And then the beautiful
The heart.
fathers below. Hawkroom CEO.
Hey,
Manager.
the
Co-assistant
heart.
manager. Wait, what? Wait. Look at this though, Brad.
Huh?
Look. Come here. You got Hawkroom CEO.
Yeah.
Manager. And then co-assistant manager. And what does this idiot do? Why is his
Okay.
pedestal fallen? And why is this thing dirty? Did
Why
he
is he getting-
die?
why
Is there
is-
something going on with this guy?
Why does this say the heart?
Wait, let's
It's
go
right
in.
here.
What? Okay.
Oh,
We're-
God.
Dude, we're going too deep into here. Storage. We can't go in there. Okay. That's
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
The heart. Oh. Wait.
Oh.
What the heck?
Current fuel
Wait,
100%.
what is this?
Heart
Coolant
handler
level.
room. Door's locked. It's gonna open in like 5 minutes or so. Work more, sleep less.
Oh, I opened it. I opened the
Oh,
heart
there we
handler
go.
room. Wait, we can't
What
click any of the
is
buttons.
hap-
Okay.
What is this? Okay. This is getting a bit freaky.
Wait, there's a
right now.
fuel room too.
What?
Oh, we don't want to. Okay.
How
I'm
many
not gonna
are there,
inhale all
bro?
that. I'm not inhaling all that, bro. Let's go over here.
Why are you saying stuff? Why are you saying stuff? Okay.
Because he wants to yap. Let him yap.
True.
Let the guy yap.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm going upstairs.
Right.
Bread.
Second floor.
What is this?
Hold on. Oh.
This is where they test patients. This is where they test their employees, I guess. They do a little taser test on them, and then okay. Let's go back down.
Pulling a Hassan right now.
Yep, just like I did to that shark.
Yeah.
All right, we're going back. We're going back. Props. All right, what the heck? Let's just go this way. Hello.
Oh.
Oh.
Ooh. Ah, okay.
Okay. Fitness room. Employees only. Wait, does this lead back out? Oh, it does. This leads back
Oh.
out. Okay.
Oh, sick.
Well,
Okay.
let's stay in here.
Yeah,
Fitness room.
Hell
Get
yeah.
fit now. Look at hawk rooms, bro.
Yeah. Get fit now,
Step
bro.
on scale to calculate weight.
Alright,
Okay.
let's see.
I'm stepping on it. How fat am I? Or am I skinny? Let's see.
Alright, let's see.
I swear, if they roast me,
Normal.
your weight is normal. Okay.
Alright.
Do you want to try bread, or are you
Right.
too scared?
Watch it be fat.
Alright, go ahead.
Watch it be overweight, because I'm fat.
No, I don't think they'll say that.
Normal.
Normal.
Okay.
There you go.
Alright, we're both good.
All right.
We're both good.
Offices.
Alright.
Oh.
What the fuck? Ah!
What just happened?
What the fuck?
Fuel depleted. Diverting power to emergency generator.
What the hell?
Okay,
Oh my
what
god.
just happened? I did not like that.
Sorry for my swearing.
not like
What the
that at
heck?
all right, well, that scared me really badly. I'm not gonna lie.
yeah.
That was not cool. Never again, please. That was bad.
Yeah.
Let's go back here because we gotta check out that elevator. I feel.
Oh yeah.
Wait, but there's more
true.
stuff down. Okay. You know what? I think
Yeah.
that's just shipping areas. I think
Yeah.
we can just go into the elevator.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's go to the elevator. Oh gosh, I'm scared, bro. Bro, what
Yeah.
if we find something like really disturbing in here? Okay, let's
Yeah.
go.
Okay.
Okay, do we go down? Let's go down or up. We gotta go up.
Up. Go up.
Oh no. Oh no, I'm
just-
scared. I'm scared. Brad, what do you think is gonna be in here?
Remains.
Probably.
Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised.
Are we even moving? Oh, now we are.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Oh man, this elevator is really taking the time.
That power outage was so bad. I actually
Yeah.
like peed myself.
That flinch.
was really
I
bad.
actually flinched. Real bad.
Bro, how far is this elevator going? All right, here we are.
It's even the
Wait.
elevator.
Oh my.
Ooh.
What is this?
Ooh.
What is this?
Oh, is this like the man? Is this like the CEO's office? I think
well,
it
this is Hawkrum's office.
Wait.
Whoa.
What is behind
okay.
here?
Wait.
What's behind here?
Let's go.
Uh-oh.
Lawyer's office.
Lawyer's office.
Oh no. Okay, well this is what happens when the crahker gets sued. Let's leave. Let's not go there.
Yeah.
That's probably
Let's
bad.
not explore it. Oh, is this some? No. Okay. Yeah.
All right, so we came all the way up here. I guess this is like his office at the top of the building. That makes
Yeah.
sense. I want to see if there's a basement floor because there was a button that was saying to go down, but I
Yeah.
don't know if that's like a.
Right.
Oh, we gotta wait for this door to close. Oh gosh, I almost just got stuck. Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
All right, so pretty weird so far, I'd say, with that power
Yeah.
outage happening.
That power.
I did not like that at
genuinely
all.
Scared me.
That was
God.
bad.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can go down
Okay.
again.
This is.
Let's see.
Okay. This is ground.
Okay, it's closing
There we
again.
go.
Please tell me there's a basement. All right, I want to be let out. Okay, let me out now. Let me out now. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Open the. Oh.
Oh.
What the?
Huh?
Okay, I don't know what's going on. I think we're forced to go back up. Yep.
Alright. Yeah.
Well, we'll have to make our way back down again. That oopsies.
That was weird.
Okay, I'm stuck. I'm
Oh,
actually
God.
stuck. Oh my gosh.
Oh god. Yeah.
Alright, you're in the floor. What is
Bro.
going on?
Oh. And now I'm below the elevator. Great.
Oh my goodness.
It's okay, I can just-
How does
I-
this
I
happen?
can just
Yeah,
go.
let's both reset. Oh my gosh. Okay. I didn't expect there to be a rag doll.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going back in. I'm going back in.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Ooh. Welcome to the factory.
All right, let's
Yeah,
let's
your
go
factory.
back to the
Elevator.
shipping area. Not the same one that we were at before.
Alright.
Let's go back over to because there's an area over in this corner here. What is this, by the way? I feel like that's
I
a
don't
pit.
know.
Okay, we do not want to go down there. That is don't fall down there. That is bad. Big box shipment. Okay.
Right. Give me a
security
big
status, online.
box.
Wait. It says no people allowed. What if I go down?
You'll die.
Okay,
anyways.
I'm going.
No.
Fred. Okay, yeah, I burned. Don't go down there.
Yeah.
Bad idea.
Told you. Big box of crackers here. Let's see if I can push this down.
Wait, I think I can jump over the pit of lava. Let me try it.
What a lazy bunch of workers.
Shut up.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
heard that too?
This is a bunch of lazy
He just-
workers.
Friends.
Just shut up.
He just called you lazy.
Yeah. How dare he?
Okay, I'm gonna attempt to jump. Okay, I'm gonna attempt it. Let's
Oh,
see if I can
God.
do it. Huh?
Bro. Move.
Oh, I did it. I made it.
Oh shoot.
Uh-oh. But I got zapped. I got electrocuted.
Oh.
That was
Fuel
bad.
tanks fill.
All right, Brett. They have a game. Should we go check that out now? I feel like we should.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go there. Let's go there.
Yeah.
All right, I'm in. Here we are. Oh wow, this game isn't laggy. This is nice. We're finally not lagging.
Still getting a bit of lag spikes, but they're not too bad.
Okay, wait. Okay,
Wait.
there is something. There is stuff behind the curtains. The Hakram show on air. Okay. I don't think you can go up there. I don't think. Yeah. All right. Well, this is I think this is it. I mean, it's just a game show. Maybe if they hold one in the future, we'll come to it and we'll see what's up, you know.
Oh, yeah,
but for now, we've done a lot of exploring of the crahker factory.
Well,
so
it took us like
I think,
20 minutes, you know.
Yeah. I think we'll leave it here until next time. I don't know when that will be, but it will be soon because they're doing their revamp. But Brad, what did you think? What did you think?
I hope the power doesn't go out again.
Yeah, that was bad. We're not gonna have that happen again.